didn't want shell. No, I didn't ask for that. Oh, Ooh, why is that a bad thing?
Make sure you're anti-backing, kids. Keep the Rona away.
Oh my god. Oh well. Look at, no, oh no, don't talk to me about it. Just so you know, none of this is my mess, apart from this bowl, okay? Okay, now we've got that clear, let's move on. Basically our dishwasher stopped working, and it f***ing stinks. Alright guys, they're making pancakes. And so is Emily, so there's, you know, a bit of animosity in the kitchen right now. Basically I'm making banana pancakes. The only ingredients you need is a banana and 2 eggs.
And bacon powder.
And like a bit of bacon powder, that's optional though. But look at this banana.
It's so big.
Like, I don't think I need all of that. I mean, what do I do with the rest of the banana? Do I eat it?
Chop it up and put it on the top.
To peel a banana, you simply... Well, actually, the monkeys do it this way. I know because I've been with them, and I am one.
About that as well.
They go like that, you know. You don't want all of that. Obviously, no one wants all of that. I even think that's too much. You just got to crush that with the back of the fork for about half a bloody hour, because that is how long it takes. And then it gets like that, gloopy, but still a bit lumpy, because basically this is a bit of a rookie effort. But obviously, I only have a fork, and I'm not a chef or a baker of any kind. Emily fits more into that category than I do. Then you get 2 eggs. These are free range. Obviously don't use eggs that are not free range because you're just a bad person. Then you crack them. Oh, sugar. And don't get any shell. Oh, it looks like shell's gonna go in there. I didn't want shell. No, I didn't ask for that. And then you just get in the eggs, you know, let them loose. You know, give it that little... I'm going to show you what Emily's cooking. She's cooking pancakes. If you want to know how to make these, go subscribe to Emily's channel. I'm joking, she doesn't have a channel.
Banana, oats and flour, and then some stuff.
Okay, that's what she said. Very descriptive. The thing is, when you put these on the frying pan, like, it needs to be like sizzling, so they don't like, because obviously it's not really like thick, so it needs to be sizzling. So as soon as you put them on, it's ready to go in because it's sizzling. I should actually use a ladle, but oh well. Okay, it's not sizzling straight away, this is a bad sign. They can look a bit weird, but you know, you just gotta go with it. These are mine, and these are Emily's, so don't vote until the end result, alright? And then, once it's like not moving on the top and it's like all something like that. Oh, don't mess up on me. You flip it, see? See, that actually looks good, I told you. So you flip them earlier than normal pancakes. So I just flipped these and then they're a bit on the burnt side. God, look at that nail.
Oh my god.
Okay, well, oh well. Oh guys, and the last one's turned out like this. You know what to say. I think it's your guys' fault for like putting pressure on me, because usually this doesn't happen. This just proves the fact that I'm just not, look at that. Oh, once you've got your very highly average and slightly definitely 100% burnt pancakes, then it's time for the toppings. Anyway, Jim Jams is first for a topping. It's just basically Nutella, it's just not Nutella. Just spread that on the top, a bit of it. What are you doing? Be quiet. Where's the bloody lid now? Where have I just put the lid? No. No, did someone just see? Oh, there it is. That was really idiotic of me. Just put that banana on there. So I'm going to try and make this as look nice as possible. Presentation is fuck off everything. Now I'm going to drizzle it with maple syrup. And then I'm going to go... and I'm going to go take my phone and get my phone and take a picture. Okay, but anyway, this is the finished look. It looks nice, yeah, but... I don't know if we maybe need some more fruit. Got some blueberries on there as well. That is my breakfast. I'm gonna be okay, I'm gonna be okay. So that's my breakfast, I'm gonna go enjoy that, and then I'll see you later for lunch, which hopefully is a little bit better than this. Ah! Why am I jumping? That was just a sound. Anyway, basically, do you know I said that my radiator wasn't working? Well now, none of the radiators are working. The heating is completely f***ed. I'm freezing. Hence why I'm wearing a tracksuit, but then also I would usually be wearing a tracksuit anyway, but like now I actually need to wear a tracksuit because it's like freezing. Also, if you didn't know, because I completely forgot to tell you about this, like 2 weeks ago we lost our windows. I'm going to show you what, this is like our front door, this is like our flat door. Completely lost the window, and now we use Amazon boxes to cover up with sellotape, so it's not secure at all. Anyone could just punch through this and reach their hand down and open that. It's all a big thing. Basically there was a bit of a fight, bit of a kerfuffle, someone just put their hand through it and the window came out, and I'll insert pictures. Basically we're not safe for lunch. Ah, this is hot. Oh, Ooh. I'm making a pitta. I've got a pitta. This is a pitta. If you don't know what a pitta looks like, this is a pitta.
This is what I'm having.
Ow! Ooh. And I'm putting in it chicken with vegan mayonnaise because we have no normal mayonnaise. Ooh, wow, look at you, that's just steamed up my lens. There's only really room in there for the cucumber. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Okay, now I need to use my chicken, which is pre-cooked. So I need to put it in the microwave. Put a bit of skin on there, I don't really want that. My chicken is popping off. God, I get worried about my chicken, do you know what I mean? Next step is put this in here and then do the same with the other one, because obviously you can't have a pitta without any kind of sauce, like i.e. oh hello, i.e. butter or mayo or some. Can you? Oh my God. Yeah, okay, get that right in there. I reckon that's done. So cut that in half. Like, what am I supposed to do with that now? Do you know what I mean?
Make sure you're anti-backing, kids. Keep the Rona away. You need to anti-back your hands, actually, missus.
Put that right in there. There we go, and this should look like that. Just looks horrendous. I've got coleslaw on the side because, you know, I have coleslaw. Thought that would be a good idea.
Do you want to put some cheese in or not?
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And press.
Tap
it in.
Tap, tap, tap.
And then with the extra chicken,
you're going to eat it. This is how small I am because my angle goes up like that. Whereas this is if someone was your height. This is what I see. Oh, okay.
This is the finish. Oh, get in there. This is me lunch, love it. Oh. My glove is on the floor. How rude. Stay up there, mate. Guys, I did a bad thing. Obviously, I didn't eat all that now. That was my tiramisu that my mum bought me, and it lasted me there's like 3 servings in that. Obviously, like, it's not that big, alright? And I've just done an even worse thing, and I've actually ordered McDonald's for dinner. Basically, Emily was like, oh, I'm ordering Chinese. And I was like, well, I don't want to cook salmon and like roast vegetables. And she's just me sitting there eating Chinese. So I ordered McDonald's. Wait, this is only my 2nd McDonald's since being here though. So like, I swear to you, I'm not even that unhealthy. Guys, it's here. And also, I accidentally ordered 2 medium fries. So I've got a lot of fries. And Emily's eating her Chinese. I'm watching Fish Tastes Grey. And I've got ketchup. And I've got a Coke, obviously. This is like my go-to thing. And you should probably know that by now. Okay guys, I've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it kind of informative, even though I just ate junk food for the whole video basically, apart from like the coleslaw and like the fruit and the cucumber. That was literally the only thing I ate healthy today. Oh my God, tomorrow's gonna be a healthy day. Or is it? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit that bell button to get notified every single time I post, just every Thursday. And please, if you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button. And apart from that, I'll see you in my next video. Or say night to Squirtle. Oh my God, look at him, he's so cute. He's so cute.
Yeah,
oh my God,
yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah.